foundation of a healthy life begins with sleep. Today, we're exploring the importance of developing healthy sleep habits and how to make sleep your superpower. Sleep is crucial for repairing the body and mind. It helps repair cells, consolidate memory, and strengthen immunity. Without enough sleep, you may experience fatigue, lack of concentration, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Adequate, high-quality sleep enhances daytime focus and productivity, stabilizes mood, and reduces anxiety and depression risks. It also regulates hormones, helping maintain a healthy weight. Developing healthy sleep habits is simple. Keep a regular schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time daily. Create a comfortable sleep environment with a dark, quiet, and cool room. Avoid stimulants like caffeine and screens before bed. Establish a relaxing bedtime ritual, such as meditation or reading. Good sleep habits offer lasting benefits, improving both physical health and life quality. Stick with it, and you'll find healthy sleep habits are a priceless investment. Start adjusting your sleep habits now. Your body and mind will thank you. Remember, good sleep is the first step to a healthy life.